My prediction for ConExpo, we're not going to see anything truly exciting from a new equipment standpoint as far as like new models or updated versions of things. Only cool thing that I would like to see that I know I'm not, because I know they're a few years out on it yet, is the next gen skid steers from Cat.
Because those will be totally updated.
Those need to be totally updated because they're 13 years old on the current platform. It's one of the oldest platforms that they've run.
But it works really well still.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's good enough. So I think we're not going to see a lot of cool big shit. It's going to be a lot of mind-blowing technology.